mouth-watering food, thrilling rides, and Yaksta live in Mandeville. Yeah man, this Easter Monday, Manchester came alive with pure vibes at the annual Kite Festival and Family Fun Day. And Jamaica in 10 was front and center for all the action. From live entertainment and sky-high kite battles to kiddies rides and a mechanical bull, rock climbing, a full game room, and food for days. This was the ultimate Easter Monday celebration. It's Jamaican culture, Easter spirit, and family fun all rolled in one unforgettable experience. Getting into the festival this year, smooth sailing. Thanks to the newly completed Williamsfield leg of the highway. No more winding back roads and bumpy detours, just straight to the action. Mandeville never feels so near. After arriving around 10:30 a.m., we found ample parking, making for a smooth start to the day's festivities. The festival grounds were bustling with activity, featuring a variety of vendors and booths, such as Shore Pets and Garden Store, I Am Health Corner offering herbal supplements, and popular beverage brands like Buster, Refresh Spring Water, and Pepsi. Food enthusiasts enjoyed treats from Something Sweet and the Soup a Bubble Soup Cart, among others, while wellness seekers relaxed with massages from Yede Refua. Artisans like Knicks Knacks Crochet and Things showcased their crafts, and organizations like the Child Protective and Family Service Agency provided valuable information. And let me not leave out Zen Dish Gardens, which sells succulents and cacti, and we're definitely gonna be going home with 1, 2, or 20 of those beautiful plants. Children were delighted by an array of activities, including slides, bounce about, trampoline, and classic treats like popcorn, snacks, and cotton candy. For the adventurous, the mechanical bull and rock climbing wall offered excitement, while the game room provided fun for all ages. Kia Motors also displayed some of their latest vehicles, adding a touch of automotive flair to the event. Family Fun Day is now in its 3rd year, brought to life by H2Event Solutions. The goal? Reignite the Easter kite-flying tradition, reconnect and build stronger community ties through wholesome entertainment. This year, the venue was moved from the Kirkbine Sports Complex to the Manchester High School, right in the heart of the town. More central, probably more space, definitely more vibes. In Jamaica, kite flying during Easter isn't just about fun, it's rich with meaning. The soaring kites symbolize freedom, spiritual upliftment, and the resurrection of Christ. For many, they represent hope and renewal. And for others, it's just a joyful way to reconnect with family, feel the breeze, and lift your spirits, literally, into the sky. And trust me, this kite competition is normal. From handmade masterpieces with dazzling colors to black scandal bags that defy gravity, the creativity is through the roof. And it's not just for style. There's a serious cash prize of a whopping $500 on the line for the best kite. So yeah, people are bringing them A game. Big kites, bold designs, and sky-high ambition.
That is it.
And what's a festival without music? The vibes turn up with sound systems blazing, live DJs, and you ready for this? Yaksta taking the stage.
Good evening. How you feeling? Hey, I'm not telling you, I'm going to start coming some more often. The people look rich down here. I hate it. And the weather nice. And the girl them clean and come out. If you know you look good, say thank you. For the girl them who have them husband them here, them here, say thank you. For who work for them own money, say thank you. If you not depend on them boy say thank you. Thank you. I like you tell you want money.
Thank you.
Can you have ambition, say ambition. Feel like money, say money. Run the tune now. And the song I can't be through COVID. I want it for the place though. When I come sing it for them, one say for the know it now. I'm going to sing some new tune after this though. Ready? Jump! Excuse me, the play again. Alright, we dance validation. A toast and admiration. From who? Alright, the boasting about name brands. But that's over here, gang. Alright, Manchester, be same one. See the cars of a straight pants. Make that flip! Jump! Move up again, man.
His conscious lyrics and energetic performance bring the crowd alive. So whether you're skanking in the grass like me or rocking a two-step with your curry goat in your hand, the music just mash up the place.
If anything comes up, push out nice guy like the one. All I do is that talk, sing. So when emotions are passed through you, I want prayer in all those roots. Make me hear you say, Jaja feels your pain. Jaja feel. Jump. And when the sky is not blue, me and it don't give up too soon. Make me hear you say, Jaja feel. Make me hear you say, Jaja feel.
And when the vibe's strong, the belly of is strong too. The food booths loaded. Jerk chicken and fried chicken, boiled corn, curry goat, rice and peas, soup, you name it. Whether you want a hearty place or a quick snack, there's something for every craving. And the smell, whew, from the moment you reach, your nose know you're in a food paradise. But let's talk about one of the biggest stars of the day, Demoyah's Delight. This isn't just any ice cream booth. It's a full-on flavor adventure handcrafted by our good friends Mr. and Mrs. Simpson. Their homemade ice cream is the kind of dessert that makes your eyes roll back in your head with satisfaction. Think rich grape nuts, crunchy in all the right ways. Creamy cookies and cream that melts like magic. And a dragon stout flavor that's deep, smooth, and packed with that malty richness that Jamaicans love. And that pistachio just whispering luxury. They've also got dairy-free options, vibrant fruitsicles bursting with real Jamaican fruit, and thick, decadent fudge that tastes like it passed through heaven before it reached your mouth. And don't forget the fruit parfait. Everything is all natural, full of flavor, and made with real love. Tested, tasted, and proudly approved by Jamaica in 10. But wait, there's more. Demoyah Delight also offers premium quality banana and carrot cakes, topped with your choice of coconuts, chocolate chips, or mixed nuts. These treats are a must-try, and you can find them outside of festivals too. So if you're in Maypen, drop by Homar's Roti at Mineralize, and definitely check out their Instagram to place your order. Just one little bite, and you will be hooked like us. And parents, don't feel left out because there's something for you too. For the grown folks, it's all about Dominoes. The Domino tournament this year is serious business. 50,000 Jamaican dollars to the champion. So whether you're a six-love king or queen, come and test your skills. Now let's talk about cost. Because all this fun might sound expensive, but it's super affordable. Adults and kids 12 and older, just $1,500. Children 5 years old to 12, only $500. And kids under 5, check this. They enter totally free. A deal like that you can't really beat, especially for a day full of family fun, food, music, activities, and lots of memories. The Easter Kite Festival isn't just a Manchester thing, it's a Jamaican thing. Held all over the island, these festivals unite locals and tourists alike. It's about celebrating who we are, staying connected to our culture, and sharing joyful moments together. It's a reminder of our heritage, our creativity, and our love for family and good vibes. Big up to H2Event Solutions for keeping the Easter spirit alive right here in Manchester, Jamaica. So if you enjoy the vibes, then show some love, like, share, subscribe, and comment for more Jamaican culture, history, good times right here on Jamaica in 10. We want to hear from you. What was your favorite part of the festival? Was it the vibrant kites, the delicious food, or Yaksta's electrifying performance? And if you haven't been yet, are you planning to join us next Easter Monday? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. And as usual, I hope you learned something today. So I certainly did. Keep supporting my platform so that we can go and grow together. Love you all.
Oh, she's a lady, little tree. She's a child. Oh, yeah. We working hard and still a suffer, cause we adding it alone through the sleepy road, yeah. Me say it dark and sticky road, yeah. Me hear the people them apart say it's sticky road, yeah. We working hard and still a suffer, cause we adding it alone through the sleepy road, yeah.
He's a big artist.
Freedom, come let us fight for our freedom. Freedom, cause I can't do it alone, my friend. So I am calling on Josh children. We gotta